Hello, everybody! Thanks for joining me today. I'm Rosie, your chef of the day. Welcome to the Culinary Recipe Creations kitchen. Subscribe now before we start today's video tutorial so you'll be informed about future recipes just like this one. Well, summer is officially here, and I am so ready for it. This is the season for fresh flavors, bright colors, and simple meals. We want to be outside, not stuck in a hot kitchen. Summer cooking is all about quick, delicious meals that let you enjoy the sunshine. Think juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and sweet corn, ingredients that shine on their own. Cooking with fresh, whole foods keeps you energized and feeling great. Today, I'll share my favorite go-to summer recipes: a zesty quinoa salad, a cool avocado soup, and speedy shrimp skewers. These are 30-minute meals. No complicated steps, just honest, tasty food. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or your next backyard barbecue. Let's chop, mix, and grill our way to some seriously tasty dishes. Fresh, fast, and fabulous, that's summer eating. Let's get started. First up, let's dive into my zesty quinoa salad with a citrus kick, a dish that's as vibrant as it is delicious. This salad is light, refreshing, and absolutely packed with plant-based protein, thanks to the combination of fluffy quinoa and hearty chickpeas. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. Just look at those colors: crisp red bell pepper, cool green cucumber, and sweet, bright yellow corn. Every bite is a burst of freshness and crunch. The best part? You don't need any fancy or hard-to-find ingredients, just the freshest produce you can get your hands on. This recipe is super versatile. Feel free to swap in your favorite veggies or herbs to make it your own. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of quinoa, a can of chickpeas, 1 red bell pepper, 1 crisp cucumber, 1 cup of sweet corn, and half a red onion, finely chopped for a little bite. Plus, half a cup of fresh chopped cilantro to bring a burst of herbal flavor for the zesty dressing. You'll need the juice of 1 lemon and 1 lime for that bright, citrusy kick. Add a 1/4 cup of good olive oil and a teaspoon of ground cumin for a warm, earthy note. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings really bring everything together. That's it. Simple, fresh, and absolutely bursting with flavor in every spoonful. This salad is hearty enough to be a meal on its own, or it makes a perfect side for any summer spread, barbecue, or potluck. You can even make it ahead of time for picnics, meal prep, or quick grab-and-go lunches during the week. Eating the rainbow never tasted so good. Every forkful is a celebration of color, texture, and taste. Let's get cooking. So gather your ingredients and let's move on to making this beautiful, nourishing salad together. You'll love how easy and quick this comes together. Ready to make your new favorite salad? Let's go! Let's make this vibrant and refreshing salad in a flash. Perfect for busy days or when you want something light but satisfying. Start by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa thoroughly under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then cook it in 2 cups of water or broth. Let it simmer gently until it's fluffy and all the liquid is absorbed, which takes about 15 minutes. While the quinoa cooks, grab your cutting board and chop up a crisp red bell pepper and a refreshing cucumber, along with a small red onion, dicing everything into bite-sized pieces for the perfect texture in every bite. If you have fresh corn, slice the sweet kernels right off the cob for extra crunch and flavor. Once the quinoa is done, fluff it gently with a fork and let it cool to room temperature so your salad stays fresh and crisp. In a large mixing bowl, add the cooled quinoa as your hearty base, then toss in your chopped veggies, a can of drained chickpeas for protein, and a generous handful of fresh cilantro. For the zesty dressing, whisk together fresh lemon juice, a splash of lime juice, and a good drizzle of olive oil for richness. Add a pinch of cumin, salt, and freshly ground black pepper to bring out all the flavors. Pour the tangy dressing over your salad and toss everything together gently, making sure every bite is coated. Taste, and if you like, adjust the seasoning with a little more salt, pepper, or even a squeeze of citrus. That's it. Your zesty quinoa salad is ready to enjoy, bursting with color and flavor. Serve it chilled for a refreshing meal or at room temperature for a quick, healthy lunch or dinner. It's perfect for meal prep, picnics, or a quick summer meal. Just look at those vibrant colors and textures. Healthy, delicious, and done in no time. The salad is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Now, let's clear the counter and move on to our next fresh summer dish. Next, let's cool off with a cucumber and avocado soup. No cooking required, just a blender. This soup is creamy, smooth, and packed with fresh, green flavor. Perfect for hot days and ready in 10 minutes. Here's what you need. 2 large cucumbers, 1 ripe avocado, half a cup plain yogurt, juice of 1 lime, a 1/4 cup fresh mint, salt and pepper. Cucumbers hydrate, avocados add healthy fats, and yogurt brings protein and tang. This soup is light, nutritious, and so refreshing. It's great as a light lunch or a starter for summer dinners. You'll love how easy and elegant it is. Gather your ingredients and let's blend up some summer coolness. This is a recipe you'll make all season long. Ready to blend? Let's do it. Healthy, hydrating, and delicious. Let's get started on the soup. You won't believe how simple it is. Time to make our cool soup. Wash and roughly chop the cucumbers. Peel if you want a smoother texture. Cut the avocado, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Add cucumbers, avocado, yogurt, lime juice, and mint to your blender. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add a splash of cold water. Season with salt and pepper, then blend again briefly. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Pour into chilled bowls or glasses. Garnish with mint, cucumber slices, or a drizzle of olive oil. Serve immediately for the freshest flavor. This soup is the ultimate summer refresher. Creamy, cool, and ready in minutes. Perfect for hot days or impressing guests. Let's fire up the grill for our final recipe. Now, let's make Speedy shrimp and veggie skewers. A simple, delicious meal that's perfect for busy weeknights or casual gatherings. These skewers are fun to assemble, super fast to cook, and absolutely perfect for grilling outdoors with friends or family. Shrimp cooks in just a few minutes, making this dish a real time saver, and we're pairing it with a rainbow of fresh, colorful veggies for extra flavor and nutrition. You'll need 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined, plus 1 red onion, 1 zucchini, and 1 yellow bell pepper, all cut into bite-sized pieces. And don't forget a cup of juicy cherry tomatoes to add a burst of sweetness and color to every skewer. If you're using wooden skewers, be sure to soak them in water for at least 30 minutes so they don't burn on the grill. For the marinade, simply mix together a 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 minced garlic cloves, and a teaspoon of dried oregano for a Mediterranean-inspired flavor. Add a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and give it all a good stir. Toss the shrimp and all your chopped veggies in the marinade, making sure everything is well coated for maximum flavor. Thread the marinated shrimp and vegetables onto the skewers, alternating ingredients for a beautiful mix of colors and flavors in every bite. These skewers are packed with lean protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins, making them a healthy choice for any meal. Grilling brings out an amazing smoky flavor, caramelizing the veggies and shrimp with very little added fat. They're perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, a summer barbecue, or even a festive party spread. Let's get these colorful skewers sizzling on the grill and fill the air with mouth-watering aromas. You'll love how easy, flavorful, and satisfying these skewers are. Everyone will be asking for seconds. Healthy, vibrant, and ready in no time. Fire up the grill and enjoy. Time to grill. Preheat your grill or grill pan to medium-high. Lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Place skewers in a single layer and grill for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Shrimp cooks fast. Look for pink, opaque shrimp and tender, crisp veggies. Remove from the grill and arrange on a platter. Serve as is. over quinoa salad, or with a simple green salad. These skewers are a complete, healthy meal in under 30 minutes. Perfect for summer evenings with friends or family. Enjoy the bright colors and smoky flavor. Quick, easy, and delicious. That's summer grilling at its best. Let's wrap up with a few final thoughts. Ready for your best summer yet? There you have it, 3 fresh, easy summer recipes. Zesty quinoa salad, cool cucumber and avocado soup, and speedy shrimp skewers. Each one is packed with flavor and perfect for the season. Don't be afraid to make these recipes your own. Swap in your favorite herbs or veggies. Cooking in summer should be simple and joyful. Use what's fresh and in season for the best results. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying the sunshine. Healthy eating can be quick, delicious, and fun. Head to your local market, grab some beautiful produce, and get cooking. These recipes will become summer favorites. Thanks for joining me at the Culinary Recipe Creations kitchen. I'm wishing you a delicious, healthy summer. Happy cooking, everyone. Enjoy every bite.